Welcome back to my channel, Great English Media. So today we will continue habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. So now please look at the picture here. Control your own destiny or someone else's will. Definition about the habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. It means I will plan ahead and set goals. I do things that make sense and make a difference. I am an important part of my classroom and school. I contribute to my school's mission and vision. I look for ways to be a good citizen. How this will impact your years at the buy. This will impact your years at the buy because you will make goals and set good grades on a lot of things because you will know what you have to do. If you didn't do that, chance and you will get bad grades because you will forget to study. Have a plan. I plan ahead and set goals for myself. I am prepared at all times. I think about how the choices I make now will affect my future. I think about the positive or negative consequences of my actions before I act. Why is habit number 2 important? The first one, the path you choose now can affect you forever. Number 2. If you don't decide your own future, otherwise someone else will do it for you. Number 3. Who decides with what you will study? Which major should you choose? You, your parents, or anyone else? So we have to make your own decision before you do something, before you decide to study for your subject that you love. Why it's important to have a plan? Without a plan, you follow, not lead. Should you go through life hoping someone will tell you what to do and when? In order to control your universe, you must be at the center of it. Shape your own future. 5 keys to goal setting. Key number 1, count the cost. Key number 2, put it in pen. Key number 3, just do it. Key number 4, use momentous moments. Key number 5, roll up. Habit number 2 says, developing a clear picture of where you want to go with your life. So in here, it is the meaning of habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. To begin with the end in mind means to start with a clear understanding of your destination. It means to know where you are going so that you better understand where you are now and so that the steps you take are always in the right direction. Begin with the end in mind. Create and live by a personal mission statement. This may lead on to more specific goals and objectives, but the idea is that you try to live as the sort of person you like to be remembered for when you pass on. Predict outcomes and then think of worst case scenarios will have come up with informed decisions. What is the ultimate goal, both small and large scale? People who begin with the end in mind think about what they would like to be described as by others, determine what is most important to them, create personal mission statements, visualize their mission and goals. Everything is created twice. First creation is mentally what you plan. Second creation is physically plan in action. Most failures happen in the first creation. In business, capitalization, poor plan, parenting, not having or having an end in mind. To the extent that we understand this concept of two creations and accept responsibility for both, we act within and enlarge our circle of influence by design or default. Begin with the end in mind is based on the principle that all things are created twice. There's a mental or first creation and a physically or second creation to all things. Stephen Conway, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. More mission statements concept. Identify the roles in your life. Child, friend, student, worker, blah blah blah. Think about the long-term goals for each role. Reflect on your past values, your unique talents, your sense of mission. Focus on results, not activities. Start with a list of your goals. Begin with the end in mind. Visualize your future. Begin with the end in mind. It means start with a purpose. Define what is most meaningful to you. Identify your values. Personal leadership. Being proactive about your future. Understanding the components of your personal mission statement. The most effective way to begin with that in mind is to develop a personal mission statement. A personal mission statement focuses on character, what you want to be, contributions, achievements to do, values or principles. Exercise come up with personal vision statement and three attributes to your personal mission statement. Develop a principle-centered personal mission statement. Extend the mission statement into long-term goals based on personal principles. Live out of your imagination of what can be, not out of your memory of what once was. Consider the desired results before beginning. Clarify values before setting goals. Create mentally first, then physically. Underlying principle mental creation precedes physical creation. Key paradigm: I can choose my own future and create a vision of it. I will create results mentally before beginning any activity. Conclusion: defining to where we are going is very important. It is like you have a map for your life. We can control our own future. We have clear expectation and motivation to reach our goal. That's all. Thank you for everyone.